When it comes to losing weight, most people think the gym is the only place to break a sweat. But what if we told you that you don't need to be drenched in sweat or dragging yourself through intense workouts to burn fat? Enter yoga, the ancient secret to weight loss that doesn't require you to lift weights, just your own body. It's not only a way to stretch your body, but also your patience as you twist, bend, and reach for that perfect body. So roll out your mat and let's uncover the magical poses that will melt those calories without making you hate life. Ready to stretch your way to a slimmer you? Let's get started. Number 11. Sun Salutation. Sun Salutation is an incredibly powerful sequence that activates nearly every muscle in your body. Did you know that one round of Sun Salutation can burn up to 14 calories? By performing this flow for just 30 minutes, you could burn up to 416 calories. This yoga practice helps improve flexibility, stimulates the digestive system, and increases muscle strength. To perform Sun Salutation, start by standing tall with your feet together. Raise your arms above your head, join your palms, and take a deep breath. Exhale and fold forward, touching the ground. Step one leg back, followed by the other, bringing your body into a straight line. Move through a series of poses, including Cobra and Downward Dog, before returning to a standing position. Sun Salutation is a great full-body workout that helps with both weight loss and mental clarity. Number 10. Cat-Cow Pose. The cat-cow pose is a dynamic stretch that alternates between arching and rounding your back. This sequence engages your abdominal muscles and strengthens your spine, which is crucial for burning belly fat. To perform the cat-cow pose, start on all fours, ensuring your wrists are aligned with your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. On your inhale, arch your back and drop your belly toward the floor, cow pose. Lift your chest and look toward the ceiling. On your exhale, round your back, drawing your belly button toward your spine. Cat pose. Repeat for 15 to 20 cycles. This asana not only targets your abs but also stretches your back and improves posture. Number 9. Half Moon Pose. The half moon pose is a great way to target your buttocks, thighs, and core. This asana also helps tone your sides and works on your balance. By stretching your sides, it reduces love handles and enhances your muscle strength. To perform the half moon pose, stand with your feet together and raise your arms overhead. Clasp your palms together and stretch towards the ceiling. On an exhale, bend sideways from your hips, making sure to keep your back straight. Feel the stretch along your sides. Hold for a few breaths, return to standing, and repeat on the other side. This pose is great for toning your lower body and improving flexibility. Number 8. Half Spinal Twist Pose. The half spinal twist is a rejuvenating yoga pose that helps to open up the spine, improve digestion, and detoxify your body. This asana strengthens your abdominal muscles, which is important for weight loss. To perform the half spinal twist, sit with your legs extended in front of you. Bend one leg and place the foot beside your hip. Cross the other leg over it, placing the foot flat on the floor. Twist your torso toward the bent knee while keeping your spine straight. This asana stimulates your digestive system, aids in fat burning, and improves lung capacity. Number 7. Upward Facing Dog. Upward Facing Dog is a simple yet powerful asana that helps tone your arms, back, and abdomen. By strengthening your triceps and toning your core, it helps burn fat and create lean muscle mass. To perform Upward Facing Dog, lie flat on your stomach with your legs extended and your palms placed beneath your shoulders. Push into your hands and lift your chest, straightening your arms, while the tops of your feet press into the mat. Keep your legs straight and pull your chest upward to stretch your torso. Hold for 30 seconds for maximum benefit. This pose is an excellent way to target upper body strength and shed stubborn fat. Number 6. Garland Pose. Garland Pose is a beginner-friendly squat position that targets your entire lower body. It tones your thighs, calves, and hamstrings and can help you melt fat in the lower body while building muscle. To perform Garland Pose, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and your toes slightly turned out. Lower your body into a squat, pushing your knees outward and keeping your chest lifted. Hold the squat for as long as you can, focusing on deep breathing. This asana helps improve circulation and flexibility, especially in the hips and lower body. Number 5. Bow Pose. The bow pose is an intense back bend that stretches the abdominal region and helps burn fat around the stomach. It strengthens your back, thighs, and chest, making it an excellent all-around yoga pose for weight loss. To perform the bow pose, lie on your stomach with your legs apart. Bend your knees and grab your ankles with your hands. Inhale deeply and lift your chest and legs off the ground simultaneously. forming a bow shape with your body. Hold for 20 seconds before exhaling and lowering back down. This pose is perfect for reducing belly fat and improving flexibility in the back and chest. Number 4. Warrior Pose. The warrior pose is excellent for building stamina, improving balance, and toning the muscles in your core. It helps strengthen your thighs, arms, and abdomen, making it one of the best yoga poses for weight loss. To perform warrior pose, start by standing with your legs wide apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and bend your right knee. Extend your arms parallel to the floor with palms facing down. Hold the pose for a few breaths, then repeat on the left side. The warrior pose engages multiple muscle groups, increasing calorie burn and improving core stability. Number 3. Bridge Pose. Bridge pose is an excellent asana for improving circulation and digestion, both of which are crucial for weight loss. By lifting your hips and engaging your core, this pose strengthens your lower back, glutes, and thighs. To perform bridge pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms by your sides and press your feet into the ground as you lift your hips towards the ceiling. Hold the pose for several breaths and gently lower back down. This asana improves flexibility and strengthens the lower body, making it a great addition to your weight loss routine. Number 2. Chair Pose. Chair pose is a powerful standing asana that targets your thighs, calves, and core. It's great for burning calories and strengthening your muscles, particularly in the lower body. To perform chair pose, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your arms overhead and bend your knees as if sitting back into an invisible chair. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight. Hold the pose for as long as you can, keeping your weight in your heels. This asana helps tone your lower body and build strength for other challenging poses. Number 1. Bakasana. Bakasana is a challenging arm balance pose that requires strength, focus, and coordination. This asana not only helps with weight loss but also builds upper body strength, especially in the arms, shoulders, and wrists. It also requires immense mental focus, pushing you to overcome your fears and doubts, making it an empowering practice. To perform crow pose, start in a squat position with your hands on the ground in front of you. Place your knees on the backs of your upper arms and shift your weight forward. Lift your feet off the ground one at a time, balancing on your hands. Stay in this pose as long as you can, feeling the burn in your arms and core. Regular practice of Bakasana will not only help build arm strength, improve balance, and promote weight loss, but also boost your confidence and mental resilience. Plus, it's a fun challenge to master and a great way to impress friends with your newfound arm strength. And there you have it, 11 yoga poses to help you shed those pounds while keeping your mind calm and your body strong. If you're ready to stretch your way to a healthier you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tips. And hey, if you've got your own favorite yoga pose, drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.